Lambda expressions, also known as lambda functions or anonymous functions. Now, normal functions in Python have a name and are defined by a def keyword, but anonymous functions have no name and they're defined using the lambda keyword. Let's create an anonymous function that takes in two parameters and returns the product. So the syntax for creating a lambda function is we always start with the keyword lambda, followed by 0 to n amounts of input parameters, which are separated by commas and ended with a colon. In this case, we want two parameters, so we'll give it x, comma, y. And then the function ends with a single line expression. In this case, we want the product, so we'll do x times y. And notice there's no return here, and that's because lambda functions always return something. Now, because this function has no name, we can't use it, so let's give it a name multiply. And now we can use this function like a normal function. So let's do multiply and we'll times 3 by 4 and let's print that out and give that a run. And we get 12 back. So let's look at another example. If we want to sort this list of students by their last name, we can make use of a lambda function. So let's sort this list by doing student underscore tuples dot sort. Now the sort function has a parameter key. Now we can provide the key that we want the sort function to sort by, and we want our key to be the surname of each individual student. So we'll use the lambda function here. So let's do lambda, and we pass in the tuple student, and we want to take out the last name of that student. So we want the first element, so that'll give us the name. And we want the second part of the name, so let's split that string by the space. We want the last part, so we'll access the last element in the list that's returned. And let's make the sort case insensitive, so let's put lower here. So this lambda function will return the surname for each individual student as the key for the function sort. And let's print out the sorted list. Give that a run. So you can see that the students are now sorted by their surname. Similar to the sort function, lambda expressions can also be useful with the map function and the filter functions, which I'll be covering in the next video. So until then, if you have any thoughts on lambda functions, leave them down in the comments below, and I'll see you next time.